Maurice River Bluffs Trail. Here we are, another photo excursion. Time to rock and roll. Here we go.
Continue on Sharp Street for 3/4 of a mile.
How cool is this?
You've arrived.
Hi, welcome to my next video. My name is Bruce. I shoot portraits for a living, but I also have a passion for getting out in nature and trying to create images that inspire other people. Stick around to the end of this video and you can vote for the best photo from this hike very early one summer morning.
This is crazy. I'm back at the parking lot. It's already as late as 7:30 a.m. And look who's in the parking lot. Nobody but me. Well, another photo excursion slash hike successful with an early start and an early finish. Got some exercise, got away from the computer, took a couple of images, shot some video, came up with on a deer. I didn't get a good angle the first time I saw him, but the second time around the loop, he came back.
Okay, I need your help. It's time to see which of the next two images is the best. Is it number 1 or is it number 2? Which do you think is a more interesting image? Number 1 or number 2? Please leave your vote in the comment section below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel if you want to join me again on another photo adventure.